What's going on, guys? It's Tamil and I'm back with another Canva tutorial. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a highlight effect outside of an image. Now I'm sure you've probably seen some of these images probably on YouTube thumbnails where it has that glow effect outside of an image. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that today in this video, so let's get started. Here I am inside of Canva and I've created a blank page already. And what I'm going to do first is I want to change the background color just so that I can see the effect a lot more easily. And I kind of like this purple right here. It's my favorite color. So what I'm going to do next is I want to find an image. So I upload a lot of different images here. I think I'm going to use this one right here. So now that I have my image, the next thing that I'm going to do is remove the background. Now I am working with the Pro edition. This is the paid version of Canva. So guys, if you do not have the paid version of Canva and you want to still be able to remove the background, then go check out my other video that I have right here on how you can remove the background even if you're not paying for the paid version. I've got a video on that, so check that out. So next, I'm going to remove the background. And now that the background is removed, we can do a little bit more work. So next, what I want to do here is I want to actually duplicate this because I'm going to show you exactly how it looks. So I'm going to duplicate this. Now we have a duplicated image. And this is really simple. It's not much to it. Obviously, if you want the glow effect, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another effect to the separate image. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to click on, let's say, dual tones. And I'm going to use the pop color. Let's try using that first. Now I'm going to use a pop color just to give a color to it so that you can be able to see exactly how this looks. So once I've done that, I think I'm going to add like a little bit of a brightness to it. And then I'm going to add a blur to it. I'm going to increase the size of the image just a little bit so that this can actually stand out a little bit more. And now that that image is in front of it, I want to place the image behind it. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to position it to the back. And I'm going to end up with this type of effect. Now, of course, I want that effect to be more seen. So I'm going to actually make it a little bit larger. And we've got that kind of effect going on. You can use something like these effects that are over here, and I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. I'm just working in dual tone. What you can do is you can change them to any color. So let's just say that I want the background effect right here to be maybe violet or something like that. Let's just change it to another color. Let's say I'll use pomelo. And this is how it would look. I'm going to increase the size or make this actually smaller. And then what you have to do, guys, is you have to put the blur effect on. So I've got to go from here and I've got to make the blur effect all the way to the end. And now you've got this nice highlighted look going right around your image. So guys, this is exactly how it's done. Now, of course, let's say that you are not using, a purple background, or you don't want a, orange highlight effect and you just want a classic white color, then let me show you how to do that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background color and I'm going to change it to black. And then for this particular image right here, I'm going to go back up to effects and click on dual tone. I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click the classic. And then from here is where you want to add your blur effect. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to go over to the right all the way to blur. There it is. And I'm going to move the image over here like that. Okay guys, so this is how you create a highlight effect outside of an image. It doesn't take long to do it, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and this is the result of it. Now if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also let me know if this worked out okay for you down in the comment section below. Now guys, I've been creating quite a few tutorials here on Canva, so if you want to get more Canva tutorials and training, then make sure you check out some of my other videos right here. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.